Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth devices, specifically how to connect Bluetooth speakers on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, let's head into the video. Now, I'm back to my dashboard, and you're going to see me navigate over to Quick Settings. So, under Quick Settings, I'm tapping, and I'm going to see options like Screensaver, Wi-Fi, Audio Output, Bluetooth accessibilities. So clicking on Bluetooth opens these settings up, and I can find the particular device of choice. So I can see the previous devices on this device. So all of these are available. It could be any Bluetooth device or Bluetooth speaker. So what not the brand name, I'm going to come here and click on the device. This is my device. So you can see me disconnecting and connecting from the device. It's one-step process. You just find the device, make sure it is pairing. If it's visible, if it's not visible, turn the visibility on. If it's visible, you find it appear here. So just go over to the device, click on pair remote accessory, and then you're going to click on the device. This will bring up the pairing button. Just wait for the button, and when the button comes up, click on pair, and then work with any Bluetooth speaker. So be patient and just wait. When it's connected successfully, you can move over to accessing any audio output. Maybe you're streaming, or you're watching a movie, or you are surfing on Netflix or surfing on YouTube. Whatever audio you're producing is going to be outputted with that device and any other Bluetooth speaker. So that's the same process. If it works for you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with tutorials like this.